languages. There are so many different languages in the world today. English, French, Spanish, the list goes on and on. But not all languages were meant to communicate to humans, like tweets, oinks, mews, crickets, quacks, and countless others. And not all languages have to make a noise, like sign language or code. Code, or programming language, is a general language that wasn't meant to communicate to humans, but to computers. Personally, I think that code is the best language to learn other than your mother language. Whether it's JavaScript, C#, or Ruby on Rails, code is entertaining and extremely useful for various reasons. Hi, my name's Chris, and I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of learning to code. Let me get a few things out of the way right off the bat. Code is a collection of computer instructions that tells the computer to do a specific task or solve problems. Code is used for thousands of things: the internet, Google, Facebook, video games, computers, phones, tablets, countless other applications. You might not notice this, but computers are extremely fast, but very dumb. Most computer chips can only do a few hundred different things. What computer code does is that it breaks those complex ideas that us humans have and breaks it down into the simple things that computer chips do. You've probably heard somewhere that everybody needs to learn to code. Well, people say that for a reason. Whether you're trying to fix a computer, looking for a career, or just starting a new hobby, you can benefit from code, and here's why. Careers. There's so many different careers in the world today, but just think of this. 10 years ago, there was no smartphone. Think of what the smartphone can do now. It takes videos and photos, internet, telephone, Apple Pay, Siri, pushes that all together. Think of what can come in the future. Self-driven cars, smart fridges, iToilet, robotic pizza place, delivery drones. All these will be made possible by code and software engineers. Software engineers are in high demand. The demand far exceeds the supply. The U.S. Department of Labor estimates that by 2022, 200,000 software engineering jobs will be added to the economy. And because the supply is so low, the pay is quite high as well. The average Google employee gets a base salary of $128,000. The world is practically crying out for more coders. Another big reason to learn to code is the internet. The internet has drastically changed the way we communicate. The web has practically taken over our lives. Google has over 3.5 billion searches on a daily basis. YouTube gets over 300 hours of video uploaded to it every minute. Facebook gets 2 billion searches a day. Twitter gets 19 billion searches a month. In 2015, our species watched 42.5 billion hours of Netflix. Having a website is something very valuable to people these days. Whether you're making a personal blog or as a business website, coding is fundamental to creating a show-stopping website. Learning to code gives you the power to create anything you can dream of. You can make video games, you can create computers, so many other fun hobbies that you can do with code. My personal favorite, though, is programming a small robot, whether it's Lego Mindstorms, Codapillar, or Sphero. Programming a small robot is extremely fun and simple. Lego Mindstorms, for example. First, you build the robot to do the specific task that you have. Second, you program the robot. But you can get it to put icing on a cupcake, write a note on a piece of paper, or just simply make it drive through a maze. Computers are the future. Many people don't want to admit it, but it is. Everything is turning to computers. Recreation, entertainment, manufacturing, shopping, banking, etc., etc. Learning to code will connect you to the technology that is shaping our world.